Good morning, everyone. Today I will present you our novelties from the LINE48. Those are these magnetic tubes in two different lengths, one of 30 and second one of 60 centimeters. We have the possibility to provide them always in a black and white color and in three different color temperature. Those products attract attention easily because you can install them in the traditional way that follows the line of the magnetic track, or you can install them in a diagonal way. Now I will present you this way of installation. As you can see, this way of installation makes it very usable for the retail and also for the domestic use. For the dimming you can use the driver 110 and for the digital control the driver DALI. I hope that you like another novelties from the LINE48. Thank you and see you next time.